مرحباً.
Welcome to our channel, Learn with Safaa. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to ask the price of items in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's start.
بكم هذا القلم؟
How much is this pen?
بكم
How much?
هذا
This,
القلم؟
the pen.
بدرهم واحد.
For 1 dirham.
بدرهم
For dirham,
واحد.
1. Let's repeat.
بكم هذا القلم؟
How much is this pen?
بدرهم واحد.
For 1 dirham.
وهذا الدفتر؟
And this notebook. And
هذا
this
الدفتر.
notebook.
هذا ب5 دراهم.
This is for 5 dirhams.
هذا
This
ب5
for 5
دراهم.
dirhams. Let's repeat.
وهذا الدفتر؟
And this notebook.
هذا ب5 دراهم.
This is for 5 dirhams. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.